Oh, it is helpful.
I was trying to lean into it. So,
Welcome again to Coffee with Mike. I hope that this is not your first time, but if it is, hey, we're glad that you've joined us. And what we're doing is making a series of videos helping you understand more about how I think through an issue, how I might help you make a decision. And if that appeals to you, if it's something that you think would be helpful to you, then we would invite you to work with us to see how we could help you put together a plan and actually act on that plan to be able to build the future that you're envisioning. That's what really we're trying to do here, is help you understand of how we'd go about it and how you might like to go about it. So today I'm really thinking about insurance, the role of insurance in our lives. And I think that a lot of people forget about the role that insurance is supposed to play. So when people talk about health insurance, for instance, I think a lot of people think of it as how much is the copay going to be at the doctor's office? How much is the copay going to be at the specialty office? How much is the copay going to be if I go into the hospital? They think about it in terms of copays. And then, of course, they want the lowest premium possible. Or maybe they're willing to pay a higher premium because they want the least amount out of pocket. But I believe they begin looking at insurance as though it's more of a payment plan as opposed to what its real function truly is, and that is, it's to help you to avoid catastrophe. Insurance is not about helping you pay less necessarily, it's about helping you avoid a financial catastrophe in any given area depending on the type of insurance you're actually considering. So, for instance, life insurance is to help your family avoid a financial catastrophe because you've passed away, you've had an untimely death. Disability insurance is to help you avoid financial catastrophe because you're no longer able to earn income. Property insurance is about avoiding the loss or catastrophic loss because you've had some natural disaster occur. All these things are different, but they all have one common theme, and that theme is we bought the insurance because we wanted to avoid a financial loss. We wanted to avoid a financial catastrophe. And if we looked at insurance this way, we might make our insurance different, our insurance choices a little bit different. So we're coming up on open season. Open season for federal employees starts the second Monday of November, and we're coming up on that. And it's going to be, do you want to take a look at what health insurance plan you're currently using? Do you want to continue to use it in the next year, or should you make a different choice? If you looked at that, if you began to consider that question under the premise of, well, if insurance is really about preventing catastrophe, help me avoid a financial catastrophe, then is this really the right plan for me? Am I spending too much money because really this is an overkill, this is too much, I'm overinsured? Or is there going to be a financial catastrophe because I didn't take it serious enough and I'm not even enrolled in health insurance, or I don't have an adequate plan? So I want us to think about it that way because I think it would help you have the right pair of glasses, the right perspective to consider what it is you're really looking for when you're looking for a health insurance plan. So FEHB is a really good plan, Federal Employee Health Benefit Plan, FEHB. It's a really good program. It has 15 to 20 plans practically in every location that they have federal offices where they have federal employees. And I think that all their plans are worth considering. The question is what's the right plan for you? The right plan for you takes into account what you already have in the bank, what you can afford to take out of that savings account or that checking account upon the event of some medical event that you didn't expect, and then how you would replace that money back into your account, how you would pay the doctors, how you would pay the hospital, how you would pay any medical provider, and then how you would go about getting that claim paid through your insurance company. All that matters. It's not one thing, it's all these things. How do we help you put it together? How do we help you figure it out? It's going to be a different answer for different people. Yet I see 98% or 95% of whatever it is of federal employees enroll in the exact same plan, or at least with the exact same company. Not to say that that's a bad company. It's a great company. But that's not to say also that these other companies don't have something to offer, maybe something better to offer for you this year. So when we look at a financial plan, we're thinking about catastrophic loss. How do we avoid catastrophic loss? And we're thinking about what features of the plan fit me and fit my medical team, my doctors, and the hospitals that I prefer, the prescriptions that I currently receive, and all these other things that might matter. How do we put all that together for you to make a good choice? That's what we're here to help you do, and I hope that you'll take an opportunity to take a look at what we have to offer on our website. It's allaboutfurs.com. That's allaboutfurs, F-E-R-S.com. And you'll see some help there on how to make a healthcare selection, healthcare benefit plan selection. We hope that that'll help you.